Welcome to episode 136 of the Daily Shed, and today I wanted to talk about some fingering, basically finding the best fingering for a melody with Moon River as an example. It's a classic song, and the initial melody, just the first couple bars of it, actually really the third and fourth bar, has a real challenge in fingering when you're playing fingerstyle and trying to keep some chords and bass lines going. So the very beginning is pretty easy. I'm doing it in the key of C. It starts with this C, with this note up here, that G. Okay, like that. So that's the first two bars. And this here is up at the 8th fret. It's like a C bar chord. Leave your open string, your A string open. Play those notes on the top. Okay. And the next part, the melody goes. And over that you need to keep this bass line. And it's quite a challenge. What I ended up doing is this, which feels kind of funny. It took a while to get used to this, and it's sort of a big stretch here. You could also do this. Or that's all what feels comfortable to you. And I thought this is just a nice thing to work on because it is such a sort of an unusual thing. You've got this melody going like that, which is sort of a, it's sort of a wide couple notes to hit while keeping this bass line going. So again, for me, I'm doing it like this. Like that. Which took some practice to get, especially this feels like a pretty big stretch. You could try it like this. Or you could even do it like this. That. There's possibilities all over the guitar for it. So again, the thing you want to do is have an F going down to a C, and over that this melody, which is a B, A, G, F, G. That's your challenge. Could even be like that. Yeah, just a nice challenge in fingering, and one of the more difficult ones I've come across in a melody, just the way with that sits. So it's a nice little challenge for your day. Hope it's useful to you. As always, let me know any comments or questions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.